The Maytag dryer error code F4E4 indicates a power supply problem, which can be caused by a poorly installed power cord, a faulty circuit breaker, or a faulty control board. To fix this issue, start by inspecting the power cord connection. Disconnect the dryer from the socket. Move it away from the wall to access the back panel, and remove the panel to access the power and connection. Test the power cord for continuity between the power supply cords and the terminal block, ensuring it is at least 220 volts, and adjust it accordingly. Reassemble the dryer and power it back up. Next, inspect the circuit breaker. Check if the main circuit breaker is tripped, and if so, reset it by turning it off and then back on. If it trips again, it may have a short circuit, so inspect the wires for damage. Replace damaged wires with new ones, and ensure the circuit breaker is not overloaded. Test the circuit breaker for continuity, and replace it with a new one if it's damaged. Finally, test and inspect the control board by disconnecting the dryer from the socket, removing the top panel to access the control board, and testing the unit for continuity. If the control board is faulty, replace it with a new one, and inspect its elements for damage, replacing damaged components with new ones. If the machine still doesn't work, it's best to contact a professional for further guidance.